my prediction for the midterms. Blue wave. Trump tries to claim it's been a rigged election, and he keeps screaming about it, but the midterms go against him so poorly that he's not even able really to get any momentum with it. Everyone's like, yeah, we've heard that joke. What's in them files over there, boy? That's what I see happening. That's, now that I've done the readings, that's what I see happening, is he tries to do it. The Democrats, there's going to be a woman that is a real star, and the Republicans are going to spend so much time complaining about her that that's just all they do. They're going to spend the whole election talking about how horrible, I'm going to guess either Ilhan Omar or AOC, but might be some other lady come out of nowhere. Who knows? But that's all they're going to talk about. And they're going to focus everything on her. And they're going to lose simply by saying they're not her. I mean, that's what happened with Trump, right? They kept talking about him and talking about him, talking about him. Everyone complaining about him made him rise, made him get attention. And it got him where he was, where he is. Might be the same for this lady. Maybe this is maybe we'll see. Maybe then we'll find out who's actually going to be running for president in 2028.